Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and my Twitter next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. And we can see that after hitting the high of 4700, gold showed correction. Right now, the range of gold is 4600 at the bottom and then 4700 at the top. And the current trend of the market, if you're wondering what is the current trend, then we can see that more or less the market is sideways. If you look at the overall trend, then obviously the overall trend of the market is bullish because since gold has crossed 4400, okay, more or less gold is maintaining the overall bullishness. But at this moment, at the time of recording the video, okay, we can see that gold is trading in a range here. Okay, and if you look at the market sentiment, we can see gold rises as dollar debasement trade attracts investors. Gold dips higher, eyes on Fetcher versus common. Gold firms eyed on Fetcher was coming. Gold prices firm on Thursday after a more than 1% drop in the previous session, with market focus turning to comments from US Fed Chair Kevin Walsh this week. And if you look at the economic calendar, you can see today we have some news coming up, initial jobless claims, and tomorrow we have the speech of the Federal Reserve Chairman. So market is waiting for the tomorrow's speech here. So this is the ongoing market situation. And whenever we see that market is waiting for a big news or some speech or comments, then obviously market usually remains in a range. And what is the range of gold right now? The range of gold is 4700 and then 4600. In simple words, to continue the upside bullishness, gold needs to cross 4700. If it fails, then obviously the sideways market will continue. Okay. Yesterday, I did not upload any video because the volume was very low and trading opportunities were also very limited, one or two. But if you're part of our WhatsApp group, then hope you guys made some money because we discussed about the liquidity grab around 4600. Hope you guys made some money. So to understand the opportunities for a day, okay, let me switch to the 15 minutes time frame, the lower time frame, so that we can understand better. So, my dear friends, this is the 15 minute chart of gold. We have just shifted, okay, to understand the levels better. The first opportunity on the chart of gold is around 4590. 4590, 4585 is the first level. The dotted line you see here is the first zone where you can look for a buy position. Why? Because see, we should not forget that though market, okay, hit the low of 458382, but still market respected 4600. 4600 is a psychological support. So 459085 is still there in the market. So if volume is not very high, for example, right now we can see the volume is not crazy bearish, okay, not super selling. So in this situation, if market takes support, we can look for a buy around this area. How much we can expect as a target? On the 15 minutes time frame, I will be suggesting you to go for one or two green candle. Okay, after the one green candle, if you see the second green candle has the potential, go for it. If you see that the second green candle is risky, then you can exit. Those days are gone when we used to go for TP like, okay, the previous high, or we used to go for SL below the previous candle or the previous zone. Trading has changed drastically in the last 3-4 years. You guys have must observe that too. So survival is the most important thing here. So I will be suggesting you go for one or two green candle. Okay. So 459085 is the first trading opportunity where we can look for a buy position. The second buying opportunity is around 4570. If market breaks 4570, do not go for a sell, wait for liquidity grab because these things have become very common. So after liquidity grab, if market comes up, okay, we can look for buy around 4570. So 4570, 459085 are the two opportunities on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position. Okay, and for taking support around 459085 still signifies that market is sideways. And during the day, if market goes up, my dear friends, then our First important level will be 4672. This is the first important level for us. If market goes for a breakout, okay, if market goes for a breakout, then my dear friends, we will be looking for buy at pullback. Try to avoid breakout trades because whatever we are discussing right now, everything is happening on the middle of the chart. What? Everything is happening on the middle of the chart or middle of the range. If you are an experienced trader or if you have been trading for a couple of months, you must know that in a sideways market, trading inside the range is very risky. If you want to make money or if you want to survive in a sideways market, you should stick to the range. So here, what is the range? 4700 and 4600. Anything inside the chart, inside the range is risky. But still we're discussing because you guys are day traders, I'm also a day trader. Okay, we cannot sit idle. But keep in mind that they are risky and a little bit on the weaker side. So 4672 is an important level for day traders like us. After the breakout, if market takes support, okay, because we are expecting 467270 to act as the new support. If it does, then we can buy at pullback. See this drawing. In case you see that market is going up, okay, but instead of taking support on a 467270, market is coming down. Means if it is a false breakout, if it is a false breakout, then obviously we can go for a sell below 4670 as well. But personally, I will be more comfortable when 467270 will be working as the support. Means buying at pullback. And the other opportunity that we have already discussed in a previous video also, that 4700, okay, 4700 is a crucial level. And to break 4700, okay, we need some consolidation. If market consolidates between 4690, 4670 for 2 to 3 hours, then we can expect that the breakout will be a good one. It will be a strong breakout. If market consolidates and then breaks 4700, we can look for a buy around 4700. Okay. So here also we are looking for buy position. Okay. Here also we are looking for a buy position after a pullback. Okay. Because 467 to 4670 is inside the range. रेंज के अंदर है रिस्की है इसलिए हम लोग पुल बैक में यहाँ पे बाय की कोशिश करेंगे. And here also we are looking for buy positions only. And as of now, okay, the trend of the market for day traders is not very clear because the range of goal, as I said, is 4700 to 4600. Okay. After tomorrow or by next week, maybe we will get more clarity. But overall, I will say that goal is still trying to maintain the bullishness. Okay. So if you are a swing trader, if you have ongoing buy and goal right now, you can hold your buy position as long as goal is trading above 4600 or 4590. Okay. And let's wait and watch. Okay, hopefully we will get some good trading opportunities. And my dear friends, I would like to say one thing, that in a sideways market like this, you guys must know that maximum traders lose money. Why? Because they fail to keep patience and end up taking some bad trades. If you do not get a good trade, do not trade. That's the key in some sideways market. Okay, so bye bye, take care.